Hey, what's up everyone? This is me Noshiakjan and welcome to a fresh tutorial for all Gameloop lovers. So if you're new in this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe my channel because we are about to reach 600 subscribers. So please do subscribe and help me to grow and reach like others non-professionals. So in this video we're going to learn and we're going to see if we can easily manage to tweak some settings from Gameloop and we can easily help Gameloop players or Codem players or influence them to play on Gameloop with some low-end setups. So if you're using 2 GB of RAM or 4 GB of RAM, so you can easily play any game without any hesitation right now in 2023. So how we can easily fix it? So here are some steps basically you need to follow before you start. Don't forget to subscribe, and here are some steps. So what to do? First you need to boost your PC. So boost your PC. In this case I am using a 2018 PC. So basically I have a 1050 Ti card. So it's old and outdated. So people from different YouTubers, you can follow them. They are using 3060 or new cards like 4060, but I don't have money right now. So subscribe and help me to grow, and that's not an issue. So let's back to the tutorial. So first point is boost your PC. How we can easily boost our PC? So first press Windows plus R, and after you press Windows plus R, you need to type temp. It means the temporary files for your daily basis or daily usage. So first you need to clean those files. Just select Control plus A for all and press delete del. And if you have kind of issues like Creative Cloud, this means this application is running in background. So you just simply skip these files because these are background running tasks. Now close this one. So again go for the run and simply add some percentage symbol front also in back. Now press OK, and there you can find more of the caches. Now select Ctrl A and delete from your desktop. Okay, it's quite done. So this file is now deleting. It takes some time to delete because it's not my first days PC. So again go for the run, and you can either delete or you can even also stay without not deleting. So I prefer not delete because sometimes your local also contains most important files. So if you don't have any kind of creative files like extra materials for After Effects or Premiere, you can easily delete those files, okay, for extra spaces. Now you can simply search here with the name Tix Cleaner or Tix Cleanup. You get like that. Now simply select your Windows mother whatever Windows C where you have installed it, and then press OK. It will calculating your files and it will clean up your files. So hold on for a moment. So here you can see there are some unused files from Windows Update. So we need to clean it up. And there are also some from temporary internet files, delivery optimization files. You can leave it like you can also store it from other places. So simply select all files. If you have any program installed for download program file, so uncheck it, or you can check and press OK. It will delete all the files for you and it will give you a boost, simple a boost for your system. So it's cleaned, I guess. Okay, so it's cleaning whatever. So now there is another option. So I forgot to add here in this notepad. So because you can do it or whatever, you can leave it. It's not I mean not for everyone or whatever, because sometimes it has some crash issues, minor issues approaches. So you can leave it or you can do it. It up to you. So just press Windows R and you need to simply go for the MS config and press OK. You will get a simple system configuration window. So you just simply need to go for the boot option. Here you need to go for the advanced option, and from this option you can select the number of processors you have currently. So currently I can easily choose 6 cores because I am using i5 8th gen, so I can simply go for the 6th gen. And for the maximum memory I can go up to like 16 gigabyte. I have that. So you can simply press OK and apply. Then there will be a restart for you and you can easily manage. You can do it if you have kind of 2 gigabyte of RAM. You can easily go for this option. So I'm closing it because I don't need it right now. And second option is tweak power settings. It means we have to tweaking some settings from our power plant. So you can simply type here power plant. So here you can see there are 80 power plant available. From this you can change the power settings. So mainly it's now high performance active. So if you're using laptop, I can easily provide you only some not risky stuff, so you can easily select balanced. Or if you are using gaming, I mean kind of gaming, like not like me, potato PC, so you can go for the higher performance. So I'm using currently high performance. If you have 3060 or 4060, there will be another option with ultimate performance, so it's not available for Windows 10. So currently I'm using high performance, so select this high performance and press OK or apply, because I have already applied. So there will be an apply option after you have changed these options. So that's for you the edit tweaking power settings, the power option. So there is another option from the task manager. Okay, so we need to some settings, change to some settings from task manager. So before we do, we have to run the service for Gameloop. So simply you can search from here Gameloop and open it, the marketplace. You can see. So if I go for the task manager from here, from the task manager, you can simply find the Gameloop option. So where are Gameloop? Oh fuck. Gameloop, where are you? I guess it is somewhere. Yeah. So you can find these kind of options. Currently are working on 32-bit. I guess Gameloop is up. I mean, not upgraded. So Gameloop, you can see now you need to just simply right click on your mouse and change this resource value. Uh, I mean, where are you? There should be a performance power option. Let me check, guys. I think Gameloop deleted that one. So doesn't matter. So I guess we need to run this emulator. Yeah, guys. So now go for the library and simply open this game. So we're not going to open, or I'm not going to open this game. I only need to open the emulator. So for that I'm opening this game, but I will close it as soon as it's open. So what is the task manager? So let's see how it takes time to open. So Let's open it, open up. So all my Gameloop lovers, you can watch my video. You can watch from my channel. This is no Shazin. I'm not self-promoting myself, but if you are a creator like me, or if you want to, get some knowledge from my channel, please to subscribe and help me to reach like something thousands. So yeah, I've expected a lot. So yeah, we can do it. So emulator is now working and the game starts. So I'm now closing this one in first place. Now open Tux Manager and now see if Gameloop emulator is going on. Yeah. So first you need to, need to open the emulator for those options. So now we can easily yep. Now we can easily go for these properties and compatibility, and here we need to check this one. Why are you dude? You can check this one, reduce color mode. So if you have a 2 GB of RAM PC without a graphics card, you can check it. You can disable this full screen optimization. Okay, so it won't open in full screen. That's it for 2 GB, and there will be another option. I'm not finding it right now. Yep. So for that, the task manager base settings will be like, first of all, open this task manager, run your emulator, and go for the details section. And here, in the Android emulator, right click on your mouse and select set priority to real time or high. So I am selecting for high and change this priority processes. This is not going to happen because this access is denied by me, the admin, or the Windows. So you will not get this kind of option. Okay, first place. So for the app market, it's working, but not for emulator because yeah, something it doesn't work. So that's all for the task manager setting. And another one, the hardware specs, how we can know that our PC or system built with what kind of specifications we have, like RAM, hardware specs. So you can simply go for the device manager and you can change, or you can easily see what you have, or you can simply go for the Windows R and you can simply select this option, MS Info, means Microsoft Information 32, and OK. And there you will get a huge summary of your installed physical RAM. It's to 16 GB currently, but physical memory is 15.9. And what are the available memories we have now, and virtual memories, will get another options. And we just need to know the available memory or installed memory we have. And another option, we need to know the display, display information. Like we have 1050 Ti and we have kind of whatever million of bytes, which means the 4 GB of RAM, and we have resolutions like 1080p and up to 60 Hz, and pixels is up to 32-bit, and there is also our internal graphics card with 1 GB adaptive RAM. That's all we need to know. Now simply go for the Gameloop settings, because we have done hardware specs. Now go for the Gameloop settings. The main part of Gameloop settings we need to change. So we are already open our Gameloop emulator. Now close it and open your Gameloop marketplace. Now simply go for this three dot right above and go for the settings like before. Now first, what I have done in my life. So now uncheck these options, because auto run at startup means when you open your PC, it will automatically start and background services. I mean, it takes some unnecessary service, I mean, unnecessary power. So it doesn't need. And high advanced watermarks because we don't need any watermark shows during gameplay. And leave it all options like and go for the engine. So here main interesting part we are going to change. So if you are using kind of 3060 or 1050 Ti, you can easily go for the DirectX. I mean, especially I recommend DirectX because DirectX is the main facility where graphics and everything works properly and games structure architecture build. So mainly you need to select this one. Okay. And if we are using kind of internal GPU like AMD Radeon graphics or Intel Ultra HD graphics or HD graphics, you can go for the OpenGL Plus. Okay. Now, simply delete first option, and simply go for delete this second option also. Enable these two options, rendering, optimization, and discrete graphics card. And third option also depends on your card. If you have kind of good card like 4 gigabytes or 2 gigabytes of external cards, like external graphics cards, you can go for this vertical sync. I mean, what does it help you? Like how it help you like for gaming? So vertical sync is basically I mean depends on your FPS and depends on your synchronization and frame synchronization techniques. So where you playing your response time, I mean some jittering also cost some unretorted gameplays. So you can also tick it or untick it up to you. But if you have latest cards, you can go for it. And then anti-aliasing, turn it off because I have 2 gigabyte of RAM. So what I can do? So turn it off. And for the memory, here are the simple and fundamental and main thing why we have checked this information. So because we have 16 gigabyte of RAM, so why we are selecting automatic? We have 2 gigabyte of RAM, so why we are selecting 8 gigabyte? So what you have, what you available, you will select according to need. So if you have 2 gigabyte, select 2 gigabyte. If you have 4 gigabyte, select 4 gigabyte. What you have. So if you have 16 gigabyte, so select 8 gigabyte because it doesn't have any 16 here. You can see it's up to the 8. And after that processor count, we have 6 cores. I mean, yeah, 6 or so, I guess. Let me see again. I forget my cores. It's a GPU and CPU. You can see the core here is a 6 cores for my CPU. So we can simply choose 4 to 8. So we simply go for the 4 because there is no 6 option out there. So if you have kind of 16 cores or if you have kind of threadripper kind of a bigger PC or workstation, you can go for the 8. Okay. And now the resolution. Someone previously commented on my video, you were funny, why there is no clue that FPS also counted your graphics card. I mean graphics resolution. So hard to me. But yeah, it also depends on your resolution because your screen size, I mean your resolution, the pixels, the graphics it produce every seconds of your clip or every seconds your picture. So it depends on your resolution. So if you have a lower, I mean lower monitor, if it doesn't have support any kind of external graphics card, you can go for the 720. Other, if you have a GPU, you can go for the 1366. I am going playing the 768. That's it. And if you have a 2 gigabyte of RAM and doesn't have a GPU, you can go for the 240 screen DPI and leave it like whatever it doesn't need. And for the model, you can customize your model if you are taking or checking the vertical sync, or if you're not checking, you can leave it to the common model like Asus ROG, because this model also depicts the it boosts your gaming experience. And for the game information, there is two options like graphics quality and the emulator, kind of the emulator graphics settings. If you have PC or external GPU, or if you don't have any kind of lengthy RAM GPU, so you can easily go for the 720. If you have 1660 or if you are playing with 3060, you can go for the 1080p. And if you have 4080, 4090, you can go for the 2K. And for the graphics quality, I have selected for automatic, but I need to select for the smooth, because this one gives me almost 240, I think, sorry, 120 to 40. Yeah, 120 FPS. And if you have kind of wealthy but balanced system, you can go for the balanced. And after that, it's done. Now simply save, and it will automatically save for this setting for your 2 GB and 4 GB of settings. It can, if you have a 2 GB of RAM, I guess it will reach up to 50 to 60 FPS, max 60 FPS or 59. If you have 2 GB of RAM with 2 GB of external GPU, it will reach up to 60 to 75 FPS. And if you have 4 GB of RAM and or 8 GB of RAM with some adaptive GPU, it will reach up to 80 to 100 FPS. So that's all for the low-end PC or low-end system configuration for Gameloop. And that's all for this video. This video is lengthy, of course, but you will achieve more things for this video. So if you really get some knowledgeable ideas from this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and get more valuable feedbacks and get more valuable tutorials. This channel is basically a combine of many videos, like if you are Android developer, you can also get tutorials for Android app development. It will give you a Gameloop and Call of Duty videos, tutorials, and it will also help you to suggest what I can help you, like where I can help you. You can easily comment down below. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe and share with others. So guys, thanks for watching, and peace.